All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Just hit the subscribe button and let's go right into this. Nah, don't be a hater. Hit the subscribe button. You like the content? Hit the subscribe button. Let's go into this. Big up to Skillibeng. Listen up. We covered Whap Whap when it first came out. Go look on SouFLoTV. I'm telling us that the song is going to be a major hit. I told you also that that song is not of my genre, my generation. So, me a big man for them kind of song there. However, it is not for us to close our ears and eyes to the ways of the youths. You see it? Wanna see what happened? Okay, before I go further though, let me say this to Skillibeng. Remember this, my youth. Now, the bandwagonists are gonna be riding your wave more than ever before. Now, you're going to have more yes man in Jamaica than ever before. Be conscious of your steps. Be conscious of who's around you. Be conscious of who you choose to dap up and hail up. Flex like a real star now. Don't come back home, come talk about down to earth and regular and start hang out in a certain places with some regular people because bad mind are kill enough away people them. You hear that? Bad mind get the best of them. We sitting at the pussy them. A true man. Bad mind will have the best of a lot of them. Enough people right now are going to do you the same way how them the Vibes Cartel and jump ship and abandon ship once the ship started to look like it was sinking and jump on somebody else's wave. But right now, they're going to build you up like a big superstar and they're going to ride your wave. Conscious of that. Alright, make we talk about Whap Whap. The song. This video not going to be too long. Just so you know, right? This song, after we did the review, when it originally dropped, a lot of people in the comment section was saying, what the hell is that? Whap, 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 whap. Lord, they don't even make sensible music anymore. Some politician right now, mad and vex at Jamaica, and some big business people and some elite. They are mad and vex. Why? Because a little youth, where them would have consider a little dirty foot ghetto youth, just take a song where make no sense to them, named Whap Whap, and gone out into the world with it, and the song had wings. The song have wings. What I mean by the song have wings, like when Red Bull have wings, this Red Bull gives you wings, this song here, Whap Whap, have wings. It fly the man God all around the world now. He's about to be richer than most of the people who were talking and hating and speculating and condemning and saying them kind of music that for dash way and all these things. Financially wealthier than most of them when him done and come back off of the road and forward back at him yard. Remember me tell you, Fivio Foreign, French Montana, thought it was such a hot song they had to jump on it and remix it. So I went and did some numbers while I was getting prepared to do this video right here. Let me tell you, go and look for yourself. YouTube views, right, of the remix with two big American stars on it, you know. Fivio Foreign and French Montana got 2.9 million views in 30 days. 1 month. That's not nothing. Check this out. YouTube views for the original now with Skillibeng alone by himself. 18 million views in 3 months alone. 90 days. No features. No special appearances by nobody. Just him alone. See? Whap whap. Scope on my Glock. So the thing sound when it clap. Whap 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 whap. Gone. Summer Jam in the US. Him locked down this with Whap Whap. And if you know about Summer Jam in the US, it's huge. It's big as this concert right here that he's appearing at where you see this clip. Only difference is Summer Jam in the US is mostly minorities as they call us. Blacks and Hispanics, etc., etc. You have some white people there, but the majority of the crowd is like us. In the UK, however, at this concert that's called Wireless, and I believe the Wireless concert is over a weekend period because I see 1 day tickets being sold, 2 day tickets being sold, and a weekend pass tickets being sold. So that tells me that it's a weekend affair. Not only that, I looked at the flyers to see all the names of the people who are going to appear. Because I want to make sure, say, what kind of event is this? Birmingham Wireless. This is a huge event. Mind you, you know, this is a huge event. This ain't no small event. This is not no event where unknown artists show up and get a bus. This is a huge event where big name artists are booked for this. Names that they're giants to Skillibeng. You have Shensia and Popcorn, big up to them, 2 more Jamaicans from our dancehall reggae genre that were on the show, even though Shensia said she gone left way and she had worked towards our international stardom and these things. But Popcorn was also slated to be on this show, right? And Cardi B is on this show. J. Cole is on this show. Jack Harlow. I'm just telling you some of the names of the people who Skillibeng is performing before this big crowd on the same show. Roddy Ricch is on the show. Burna Boy is on the show. Lil Baby, Chris Brown, Kanye West. This is the caliber of artists that are on this show. And you are now in the big leagues, my friend, because you get to perform on the same stage with people like Chris Brown and Kanye West and in front of the same crowd and get even a response that is as big as theirs is. This is the true marker right here. If you go up on a stage and you flap out and the crowd does not respond, is one thing. If you get on that stage and you get more feedback, more forward as we call it then, than even Chris Brown and a Kanye West. I'm not saying he did, because Chris Brown is performing tonight and Skilly performed yesterday. But I'm just saying, if you're getting the same kind of response as they are, or even better sometimes, when you have a crowd like that, you're not even from that region of the world, my friend. Your thing is not even in a English, as in the Queen's English, but the people them still learned every word of your song and is singing it back to you when you come on the stage. You don't know, say, a big things are going. So big up to Skillibeng. Him out in the world and do big things. I see Chicago post this clip and a caption that says, any Jamaican when I repost this, nah share, like him said, you're not sharing the blessings, or you're a hater, or whatever I had to say. But listen, Skilly gone out there. Skilly had do him thing. Skilly told us he was going to do his thing before him started doing his thing. And a lot of people did not believe him. A lot of people said that him have a one style, him can't rhyme, him, me no know, me no gravitate towards him music, him just have 1 or 2 catchy song, but that's about it. Me no think him go far. This time next year he won't be around. Watch and see if it's not a passing fad. All these things, right? And there he is. Look like he came to stay. Looks like he came to solidify his name and his place in the music industry. Not just in dancehall or trap dancehall or whatever you want to call it. In the music industry, because music transcends all boundaries, you know. That is why you have people in different parts of the world who don't chat patois, but them a sing every word of whap, 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 scope on my Glock. So me think sound when they clap, whap, 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 whap. Them don't speak patois, but them know every word of the song. That is transcending racial boundaries, language boundaries, border boundaries. Cause you know everywhere have them borders. Yeah, you have to show a passport and travel papers to cross into different borders, entering and leaving different countries. Music cross, all that. And now today we have the internet, which makes it even easier, because Skilly can drop one of them songs here in Jamaica and it's in the UK within 15 minutes of him dropping that song. So that's the world we're living in. Shout out to the elders them and the big people them who are more like a bridge than you are somebody who has burnt the bridge. You know, some older people, me no know, me not know what the young people them do. Me not like it, me not in it, blah blah blah. And then you have some elders who are like, yo, the youth them have them time. And it's their time now. I'm a big them up and respect what they're doing. Go out there, my youth. Spread your wings and fly and be great. Them elder there, big them up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. if this doesn't tell the youths in Jamaica that you don't have to go the traditional route and believe in yourself and find a way, I don't know what else does. I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.